Hello, I am Ivy Kuling Madrodeo and I am 25 years old with 3 years of teaching experience as a kindergarten teacher. I am currently working as a preschool teacher and my student call me Teacher Ivy. Teaching young children has always been close to my heart because I believe that early childhood education is the most crucial period or the most crucial stage of learning. As teachers, we are not just educators, we are guides, role models, and the foundation of a child's future. As a kindergarten teacher with almost 3 years of experience, I strongly believe that early childhood education plays a vital role in child's academic, social, and emotional development. The kindergarten years shape children's attitudes toward learning, behavior, and self-discipline. Because of this, I approach teaching with care, patience, consistency, and of course, clear guidance. I also believe in creating a safe, structured, and nurturing learning environment where children feel safe, respected, supported, and confident. Every child has unique strengths and learning needs, and I make it a priority to observe, understand, and guide each learner at their own pace, while maintaining a clear classroom routines and expectations. I strongly believe in learning through play, hands-on activities, and meaningful experiences. I also integrate music, movement, storytelling, and creative activities into my lessons to keep children engaged and motivated. These strategies help develop language skills, coordination, creativity, and social interaction while making learning both enjoyable and effective. I also value the importance of teaching independence, responsibility, and respect from an early age. I encourage children to follow routines, work cooperatively with others, and take responsibility for their actions while providing positive guidance and encouragement. I believe that strong collaboration with parents and colleagues is essential in supporting child's growth and overall well-being. As an educator, I am committed to continuous professional development and adaptability. I am eager to learn and adapt to Taiwan's educational system, classroom culture, and teaching philosophies, including its emphasis on discipline, respect, collaboration, and holistic child development. I am open to learning new methods, following school guidelines, and embracing cultural values to become an effective and responsible educator in Taiwan. I look forward to contributing my skills, dedication, and passion for early childhood education to a learning community in Taiwan while continuing to grow both professionally and personally as a teacher. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me. Bye-bye!